How to rebrand your PLR products. So many people will buy PLR and use it as is. Sometimes you can get away with that, but most of the time, the best thing to do is to rebrand. Well, I'll show you one of the best ways to change the cover and make it look amazing. I'm Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. If you ever heard of Jimmy D. Brown, well, he invented the idea of PLR, private label rights. This is his newest product. It's Content Creation University. There's a link below this video to get into it. It's a 12-month membership. It's stunningly amazing. I'm in it, and I'm learning a lot. Now, this is not PLR. This will show you how to use PLR. So every month, you get a new program. It's 50 to 70 pages with 10 lessons to show you how to create content faster, easier, and better. Who is this great for? Well, course creators, bloggers, coaches, membership site owners, and PLR sellers like you and me. It comes with 2 amazing bonuses, and it's amazingly inexpensive. Click on that link below this video, get to this page, and get in. So I just got this. It's called Blogcom. I'm going to rebrand the front cover. This was the sales page, and I got this, and it was almost $150. I'll show you how I rebrand this, change it, make it prettier, put my name on it, and everything. And I'm using 2 different tools. The first is eCover Authority. I highly recommend this. There's a link below this video. And Canva. I love Canva. It's an amazing tool. You can get it for free. Use it. It's amazing. All the links are below this video. All right, let's change this book cover. I want to change the name because I hate it. And I don't like the color. I have to put my name on it. I might use some of the graphics, but let's see what we can do. First, I have to find out what the dimensions of the final product is. So I'm back in eCover Authority, and this is what you can make out of it. Just to show you of what I've done, these are some of the products that I've made in the past. This is how you make money, folks. I use eCover Authority. I love it. So first, go to Create, and I'm going to pick one of these different shapes. All right, so let me pick something. I like this one. So I'm going to click on this and find out the size. And I go to Canva. So I click on this, custom size, and it is 1160 by 1670. And that will include the spine. You'll see what I mean. So I can find out what do they have already. You know what? I like this, and you might laugh about this, but you'll see what I mean. I'm going to get rid of that guy. And I'm going to put that in, and I'm going to steal some of this stuff. So I will take that, pop that in. It's not bad at all. I like that starburst underneath the book. It's nice. And that's not bad. And what should I call this? Logging income. It's a better name. Now, this is the spine. I'm going to speed this up in editing so that this will be much quicker for you. Okay, I think we have a cover. So I will test this out and see if this works. Download. Next, I'm going to create this cover. And the name is Blogging Income. Oops. I'm going to upload mine. And because I used the right sizes, it'll work. If the sizes are too big, there'll be an error. Click on that. Ah, it's perfect. And that's what it's going to look like. But we're going to turn it into a product now. Next. Perfect. Finalize. And this is why this is perfect for this. And you can make your own products. You could put it in a computer. You could put it into an iPad, a phone. It's nice. How about that? Click on transparent. Now you can put it anywhere. Download. And this is how you make a product. This is how to turn a product that looks like this, that's flat, has a terrible name, I don't like the colors, and turn it to that. It's a real product. If you put this in a sales page, email, wouldn't people buy that? Yeah. So there'll be a link for this page below this video. This is eCover Authority, and it'll do everything I showed you before. Books like that, covers, DVDs, real professional e-covers, products that you can sell. How much? For a lifetime, $47. Inexpensive and perfect for what you need. There'll be a link below this video for Canva and Content Creation U. I'm Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. And we'll talk soon.